Jen Ngozi founded NetWerk.
Is Jen Ngozi. She is the founder of NetWerk.
My number one secret to success is you've got to put yourself out there. You've promoting yourself, advocating for yourself. That has truly been my secret weapon for success. Get yourself out there and continue to learn. You can go back and reset and relearn, but don't always wait until you're a finished product to put yourself out there. I hope that helps somebody who's an overthinker and a perfectionist. Girls are our future, and we really, really need to rethink how we're grooming them for success and start that journey much earlier.
Jen, what kind of career trends have you noticed since the pandemic has started?
Yeah, a handful of them. I would say one of the main ones being that with so much time alone, we're having time to rethink our careers, questioning if our careers is truly something that makes us happy. People wanting to work virtually have a lot more flexibility in their work life.